Did you know that according to recent studies, over 85% of store-bought air fresheners contain chemicals that have been linked to allergies, headaches, and even long-term health concerns? Many of us reach for these products without a second thought, eager to mask unwanted odors in our homes, cars, and workplaces. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself what's really in that pleasant-smelling spray or plug-in you rely on? The truth is, many commercial air fresheners are packed with synthetic fragrances, volatile organic compounds, and other substances that can do more harm than good for both our health and the environment. Let's take a closer look at the hidden world behind those alluring scents. Commercial air fresheners often use a cocktail of chemicals designed to mimic natural aromas, but these artificial ingredients can trigger allergies, irritate respiratory systems, and exacerbate conditions like asthma. Beyond the immediate health effects, some of these compounds linger in the air and settle on surfaces, creating a persistent presence in your living space. For those who are sensitive to strong scents or chemical additives, even a quick spritz can lead to discomfort, headaches, or worse. And the issues don't stop at our personal health. Many air fresheners come in plastic packaging, use non-recyclable materials, or contain propellants that contribute to indoor air pollution and environmental waste. With billions of air fresheners sold each year, the collective impact on our planet is significant. So what's the alternative? How can we keep our homes smelling fresh and inviting without exposing ourselves and our loved ones to unnecessary risks? That's where the world of DIY air fresheners comes in. Creating your own natural air fresheners is surprisingly simple, cost-effective, and customizable. By using easy-to-find ingredients like essential oils, baking soda, citrus peels, and herbs, you can craft scents that not only smell amazing, but also support your well-being. Let's explore the benefits of making your own air fresheners and how natural ingredients offer a safer, more sustainable solution. First, natural air fresheners let you control exactly what goes into the products you use. No mysterious chemicals, no vague fragrance labels, just pure, recognizable ingredients. Essential oils, for example, aren't just aromatic. Many have antimicrobial properties that can actually help purify the air. Lemon, eucalyptus, and lavender oils are all popular choices for their fresh, clean scents and natural cleansing abilities. Second, DIY air fresheners are easy to customize. Whether you prefer bright, citrusy notes or calming, herbal undertones, you can blend oils and ingredients to match your mood and the season. Perhaps you love the invigorating smell of peppermint in winter, or the soothing aroma of chamomile in the summer. Making your own allows you to switch things up whenever you like. Third, natural air fresheners are often much more environmentally friendly. Many recipes use reusable containers, biodegradable materials, and ingredients that break down naturally. No more tossing single-use plastic cartridges or cans in the trash every month. Now, let's get practical. Here are a few easy and effective DIY air freshener recipes to try at home. The first recipe is a classic, the baking soda jar. All you need is a small glass jar, some baking soda, and your favorite essential oil. Fill the jar halfway with baking soda, add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil, and gently mix. Cover the jar with a breathable fabric or paper, secure it with a rubber band or lid ring, and place it in any room you want to freshen up. The baking soda absorbs odors, while the essential oil releases a subtle, clean scent. You can shake the jar every few days to refresh the aroma. Next, consider making a simmer pot. This is a wonderful way to infuse your home with seasonal scents. Simply fill a small saucepan with water, add slices of citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, a handful of fresh herbs such as rosemary or thyme, and a few whole spices like cinnamon sticks or cloves. Let the mixture simmer on low heat, and soon your home will be filled with a warm, inviting fragrance. You can reuse the same simmer pot for a couple of days by adding more water as needed. Another favorite is the gel air freshener. To make these, dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in a cup of hot water. Once dissolved, stir in a tablespoon of salt to prevent mold, a few drops of food coloring for fun, and 20 to 30 drops of your preferred essential oils. Pour the mixture into small glass jars or silicone molds and let them set. Place these gel fresheners on shelves, in bathrooms, or inside closets for a long-lasting, customizable scent. If you're looking for a portable option, try making a scented sachet. Simply fill a small cotton bag or piece of muslin with dried lavender, rose petals, or cedar chips. Add a few drops of essential oil if desired, and tuck the sachet into drawers, gym bags, or your car. Not only do sachets smell great, but they're also a wonderful way to repurpose fabric scraps and leftover herbs. Now, let's walk through making a simple yet effective citrus spray air freshener. Start by filling a small spray bottle with distilled water. About half a cup will do. Add the zest of 1 lemon and 1 orange for a burst of natural citrus oil. Next, add 10 drops of lemon essential oil and 10 drops of orange essential oil. For an extra deodorizing boost, include a teaspoon of baking soda. Shake the bottle well to combine all the ingredients. Whenever you need a quick refresh, give the bottle a shake and spritz the air lightly. You'll notice how quickly the natural citrus scent brightens up any room, without the heavy chemical undertones of commercial sprays. The benefits of making your own air fresheners go beyond just fragrance. You'll enjoy a healthier living space, knowing you're minimizing exposure to unnecessary chemicals. You'll reduce your environmental footprint by using natural, often biodegradable ingredients and reusable containers. And perhaps best of all, you'll discover the creativity and satisfaction that comes from crafting your own personalized scents. So, whether you're looking to eliminate unwanted odors, create a calming atmosphere, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using natural products, DIY air fresheners are a smart, simple solution. Give one of these recipes a try, experiment with your favorite scents, and see the difference for yourself. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about natural living, don't forget to subscribe for more easy DIY ideas and healthy home hacks. Thanks for joining us, and happy scent making!